Okay, this is Axis Secure Entry from Milestone XProtect. So we've taken the secure entry experience from Axis and integrated it using Axis Optimizer, and now you have it directly into XProtect. So when you open the management client and you have Axis Optimizer installed, you will find secure entry in the menu, and that will bring up the secure entry interface, so you don't have to switch in between the systems. In here you can configure all your doors and zones. Under a door you can add readers and recs, add additional sensors to make sure you get all the security levels you need. You can change the card format and the ping code length. You can even add a unique card format if you need that. We also have Active Directory support, so you can connect this system to your Active Directory. In that way you can download and import all your users, so you don't have to do that manually. Under Access Management you have your card holders and groups. So if I open a card holder and look at the credentials available, we can see we offer a lot more credentials than just PIN code and card. We have, for instance, QR code. You can have dynamic or static QR codes, which is perfect for temporary employees or visitors. You can have mobile credential, which is an Axis app you load your credential onto, and then you can use your phone to tap it onto a reader, or even set it to just approach a reader and the door will open. Card, obviously, and you can set the security level for the cards. And we also offer license plates for gates or garage doors. And you can add multiple credentials to a single user and then set schedules to say when you can use the different credentials to access. So if we jump over to the Smart Client, we can see that we're using every single feature that Milestone XProtect offers for access control. So in here we can see a live video stream, and to that I've connected my access control, which means that when I swipe a card, it will show up instantly. I can see the green icon, which means the door is open, and a recording of this will occur. So when I go back in time and look at a previous granted access, I see the recorded video associated with that card swipe. I can also utilize maps. In this case I've uploaded a floor plan of the IC West floor, and I've added my door in the Milestone booth. If I right click on that, I have the option to do manual lock, unlock, access, reset current state, and also trigger a total lockdown of the access control system. If we look at the access control tab here in the Smart Client, I see all the events triggered. I've filtered this view to only show access granted and denied, but I can also see all alarms, errors, and warnings available. If I switch to doors, I see all the doors, and if I select a door, I see the video associated with that door. And from this place I can also do manual lock, unlock, and reset current status. And then we have the card holder tab where I see all my card holders. If I select the card holder, I can see all the events associated with only that person. And if I select one of those events, I see the video associated with that event. So this is secure entry by Axis for Milestone XProtect.